Hello, IBA. This is Miss Bryant, and I greet you on this Virtuine as a person who got to wear a cape today. What a lovely day. Something that's important for you to know is that at the end of the school day today, there's going to be a game of tag because we have finished October and we're into November. But also, Monday has a couple exciting things. One of them is a cozy free dress day. The idea is that you probably are going to eat a lot of candy this weekend, and with the time change happening on Sunday where we fall back, which means we get another hour. I'd like to formally apologize to my advisory group, who I probably totally confused because I thought we lost an hour. We gain an hour on Sunday. I thought it might be nice to celebrate with a fantastic cozy free dress day. So on Monday, everyone wear your pajamas. We'll send out a text message also on Monday so that you don't remember, but be cozy. It is November. November includes fantastic things, including talent show auditions, Veterans Day holiday, Friday the Fit-a-thon, like this is the Fit-a-thon fundraiser month. There'll be more about that in these announcements. And then also a whole week of Thanksgiving break, including an extra Monday on the Faculty Academy Day, Monday, December 2nd, for the teachers to be able to have professional development, a whole day of professional development, and you guys to have an extra day off. Friday of that week is our talent show. So here's some details. School Site Council, thank you for 44 people who voted and the 7 students who ran. The student selected was Janice Jung. So Janice, you are our student representative for the School Site Council. This year, we are going to in the month of November meet. We're forming bylaws, and Janice is going to have a lot to learn. We're really, really appreciative for students' voice and participation in that. Thank you so much to the 7 who ran. I'm really, really grateful for this form of leadership that you have. What you need to know for Monday is that Monday, 6 p.m. is the deadline to get 10 emails into the Pledge Star system. There's a little bit of a trick. You cannot use your IVA email for the Pledge Star system, so you have to use a parent email. There are already 10 people, 10 kids at this school, I don't even know who they are, who have turned in 10 emails and are assured a popsicle next Wednesday. We're moving the popsicle day from Friday to Wednesday so that our 7th graders who have a field trip on Friday get to be here for it. So Wednesday is a popsicle party for anyone who gets 10 emails into the Pledge Star system by Monday at 6 p.m. And look at our top winners so far. Kirsten, $190 already. Ethan, $101. Daviana, $75. All of these people get in towards the top prizes, and it looks like Kirsten is already at the point of a silver winner. So she's going to get into a drawing for an Amazon gift card, plus all this other stuff. Everyone who gets 85 or more gets VIP access to the Gaga Ball and Chill Zone Pit, and all sorts of opportunity drawings with teachers, plus a free dress day, plus popsicles. Like it's just like so many prizes. So Kirsten is already in. Ethan is on his way. Daviana is $10 away from getting into the second level, the Club 85 level. Super exciting. Send your emails by Monday. Don't get distracted at the end of the day today when you run around and play a game, because then you'll go home and forget all about the emails. Send in your emails to pledgestar.com/IVA. We'll try to send out other announcements so your parents know too. Virtuine pictures will be in the newsletter and on Instagram. Thank you for all your amazing dress today. I loved Mandy's open-mindedness. Very gruesome. The Visco girls are amazing, and lots of other really good-looking people on campus today. I think like anytime you wear a costume, it just means you're like automatically good-looking. That's why I'm wearing this cape. Okay, talent shows happening in December at the very beginning, but the auditions are the 7th and 8th of November. That is next week. So think about your talent. Ask Juliet and Gwen for questions. If you have any questions, we want to make this happen. I'm going to jump back. Don't forget the Fit-a-thon. Turn in your emails to pledgestar.com/IVA. Hey, someone else sent me a picture. If you want to send me pictures, I'll put your baby pictures in and we'll guess who you are. People did guess appropriately. This is Grace. Hello, Grace. You're cute. when you're little, and probably now too, but look at this girl. And then directions for today. Today is going to be a fire and ice freeze tag. There are going to be, from Miss Gordon's class, 4 freezers, and they're going to wear blue pennies. Their job is to run around and freeze as many people as they can get. There's going to be a zone that you're in. Miss Gordon will say exactly where the zone is. So when you get released right after the announcements, everyone's going to go put your backpacks against the elm street with the chain link fence, and then come into the middle. As soon as Miss Gordon says go, those 4 freezers are gonna they're the bad guys. They're gonna freeze everybody. Try not to get tagged, but there are 2 rescues, 2 fires. The 2 people wearing a red penny will unfreeze you so that you can play. You can only be untagged by the 2 red pennies, and then we'll switch around the pennies, and it'll be fast and it'll be fun. And happy November. You got all the way this way. We're really glad that we're all in this together. It's been a really fun month of October, but goodbye October. Hello November, and hello all the holidays and the games. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and we'll see you on Monday for the Cozy Free Dress Day.